In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an A3 size design in Canva. Whether you're working on a project for school, creating custom posters, or just need specific sizing for your digital design work, understanding how to adjust canvas sizes in Canva is an invaluable skill. A3 is a commonly used paper size, especially for posters and larger prints, measuring 29.7 centimeters in width and 42 centimeters in height. Let's dive into the process and make sure you're all set by the end of this guide. First, you'll want to log into your Canva account. Once you're on the home page, keep an eye out for the custom size option. This is usually located at the top right corner of the screen, near where you would typically start a new design. Clicking on custom size allows you to specify the exact dimensions for your project. It's crucial to have this feature handy whether you're using Canva on your desktop or through the mobile app, though the placement might vary slightly. Once you click on custom size, you'll see that the default unit is in pixels, which is the standard for digital designs. However, since we are aiming for an A3 paper size, we need to switch the unit from pixels to centimeters. To do this, click on the drop-down menu next to the size input boxes, which should currently display PX, short for pixels. This menu offers several measurement units such as inches or millimeters, but for today's purpose, you'll select cm. After selecting cm, you will need to enter the specific dimensions for an A3 size. Start by focusing on the width input field and type in 29.7. This measurement corresponds exactly to the width of an A3 sheet. Make sure you type carefully to avoid any unnecessary adjustments later. Next, move to the height input field and enter 42. By typing these exact dimensions, you'll configure your canvas to A3 size, ensuring that your design will fit perfectly on an A3 sheet when printed. With both measurements correctly entered, you are now ready to create your design. Click on the Create New Design button to open your blank A3 sized canvas. From here you can start adding elements, text and images according to your project needs. Remember, having the correct dimensions at the start makes it easier to visualize your final product and ensures that your design work will print without any unexpected cropping or scaling issues. And there you have it, you've just set up an A3 size design in Canva. With these simple steps, resizing your canvas becomes a straightforward task, allowing you to focus more on creativity and less on technical hurdles. Enjoy designing and happy creation in Canva.